Welcome back to LearnCity. We are gearing toward the inflation series. In this class, we will be going into wage price spiral. What is the wage price spiral? The wage price spiral is a feedback loop in which increases in wages lead to higher production costs for businesses. To maintain profit margins, businesses raise prices for goods and services, resulting in higher inflation. In response, workers demand higher wages to keep up with the rising cost of living, initiating a new cycle of wage and price increases. Let us look at the causes of the wage price spiral. Strong labor unions. Powerful labor unions can negotiate higher wages for their members, putting upward pressure on wages across industries. Cost-push inflation factors such as rising energy costs, raw material prices, or government regulations can increase production costs, leading to higher prices for consumers. Demand pull inflation. Strong consumer demand can lead to excess demand for goods and services, prompting businesses to raise prices to balance supply and demand. Consequences of the wage price spiral inflation. The wage price spiral contributes to inflationary pressures, reducing the purchasing power of consumers and eroding the value of savings. Reduced competitiveness. Higher wages and prices can make domestic products less competitive in international markets, leading to a decline in exports and economic growth. Unemployment. If wage increases outpace productivity gains, businesses may cut jobs to offset higher labor costs, leading to unemployment and economic hardship for workers. Lastly, the strategies for controlling the wage price spiral. I hope we are still together. Monetary policy central banks can use monetary policy tools, such as interest rate adjustments, to control inflationary pressures and stabilize the economy. Wage and price controls. Governments may implement wage and price controls to limit the rate of increase in wages and prices, although these measures can be challenging to enforce and may have unintended consequences. Supply-side policies aimed at increasing productivity and reducing production costs, such as investments in infrastructure, education, and technology, can help mitigate inflationary pressures. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.